A simple chicken tortilla naman ang aking menu ngayon. Yan lahat may ingredients na gagawin sa pagluto. First, saute the onion with an olive oil until a little bit golden brown hanggang lumabas yung bango ng onion, and then put the chicken cubes. Giginasa muna natin saglit, halo-haluin para balance yung pagkaluto. Kailangan na maluto yan hanggang golden brown. And then kailangan cover it for 5 minutes, and then buksan para hindi yan masunog. Haluin, lulutuin ko to with a medium fire, and then put a little bit salt, black pepper, and then the oregano leaves, and the paprika, and lagyan ako ng paprika, and then the ginisa mix, a little bit ginisa mix, and then a little bit hot sauce kasi gusto nila yung maanghang ng konti, and a little bit of lemon. Then continue mixing para may spread yung mga seasonings nilagay ko at para hindi siya masunog. And kailangan slow fire lang hanggang ganyan ang outcome, luto na siya. And then gagawa ako ng pan-toppings, and a little bit mayonnaise, garlic hot sauce, the ketchup, the barbecue sauce, and the mustard. And kunti-kunti lang nilagay ko, yung tamang pampalaman lang para magkaroon ng lasa, and then a little bit of black pepper, and ganyan lang, and then a little bit salt, then mix together yan, ganyan, and then ipapalaman, i-spread na yung aking palaman. Ganyan lang paggawa ko ng chicken tortilla, and then nilagay ko yung ginisa kong chicken. Yan lang, napakasimple, diba? And then delitos, ganyan lang ang simpleng paggawa ko ng chicken tortilla. Thank you for watching, everyone.